Hello, and welcome again to another episode of Best Vegan Cookbooks Online. This episode is Vegan at Times 120 plus recipes for every day or every so often. Number one bestseller in vegan cooking on Amazon as of 11/22/2021, released November 23rd, 2021. So, this book, Vegan at Times, is an all-new collection of more than 120 recipes that are so delicious and easy to make, you might forget they're vegan. From the number one New York Times bestselling author of Deceptively Delicious, Double Delicious, The Can't Cook Book, and Food Swings. Jessica Seinfeld isn't a committed vegan. Her husband and her children aren't either. Instead of convincing you to become vegan or shaming you for eating meat, she simply wants to show you how easy it is to be a vegan at times by cooking flavorful, affordable, and robust plant-based meals whenever you want, whether that's every day, once a week, or just once in a while. With her reassuring and accessible style, Jessica shows you step-by-step recipes for sweet and savory breakfasts, comforting and healthy meals for lunch and dinner, delicious snacks that can be whipped together quickly, and essential sauces and dressings, all tailored to home cooks. She also demonstrates how to create a basic vegan pantry filled with the essential items to keep in stock, explain what kitchen equipment you'll want to have on hand, give sample menus for combining recipes, and tell relatable stories from her adventures in vegan cooking with her family. Simply affordable, and it's comforting. And also, it's infused with Jessica's encouraging attitude. That's from Publishers Weekly, by the way. And Vegan at Times is also the great, perfect gateway to a healthier and more balanced you.